there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
OnePlus 8 is expected to launch its OnePlus 8 series soon. However, ahead of the official announcement, the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro have been spotted on Chinese telecom's regulatory agency TENA. The devices are listed with model number OnePlus IN 2010 for the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus IN 2020 for the 8 Pro. The duo is likely to come with 5G compatibility. While the listing doesn't reveal much about the specifications, it is an indication that the launch date is nearing. The listing comes after the OnePlus 8 had appeared on Geekbench earlier in the year with a similar codename Galilee IN 2023. While the new listing doesn't reveal any details about the device and only serves as a fresh hint that the device is set for an imminent launch, we have, however, in the past seen leaks that have revealed quite some information about the upcoming OnePlus 8 series of phones. OnePlus 8 Specifications. The OnePlus 8 is reported to flaunt a 6.5-inch AMOLED display and will also have an in-display fingerprint sensor and will have a punch hole cut out on the display. The phone will reportedly arrive with 3 different variants: 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the massive 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. In terms of the camera, the OnePlus 8 is tipped to come with a triple camera setup at the rear, comprising of a 48-megapixel, a 16-megapixel secondary unit and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The OnePlus 8 will house a 4000 mAh with a 30T warp charge feature. OnePlus 8 Pro Specifications. As per 91 Mobiles, the OnePlus 8 Pro will feature a slightly bigger screen measuring at 6.65-inch AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The phone will be powered by Snapdragon 865 SoC with Adreno 650 GPU. In terms of optics, the OnePlus 8 Pro will have a quad camera setup on the rear with a TOF sensor. Both the 8 Pro and 8 will run on Android 10 OS and flaunt a glass body. The OnePlus 8 Pro will house a slightly bigger 4500 mAh battery with 10V5A Super Warp fast charging support, which would be a major advantage for the users. The exact launch date of the OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8 is unknown. However, the rumor mill suggested that the new phones would arrive as early as April 14. The company is also expected to have the OnePlus 8 Lite in the pipeline that would debut sometime in July. And that's it, guys. If you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.